This is the bike check for Kink XL 2011. That's a Shadow Grips, Kink Drive Barnes, 8.25 rise power bars. Those weighs so far from my gloves, cause it was cold outside. So yeah. Hoffman stem gave me a fork. My other ones were bent from doing 360s. 36H alloy double wall rim. Pitch rod 20 by 2.25, 40 to 65 psi. Tire in the front. Mission metal pedals. Mission crank arms. Mission decimal sprocket. Some random plastic, I don't know what it is. And a quarter of a dance comp sticker. Mission C clamp. Kink Gap XL 2011 frame. Some animal stickers that got scratched a lot. Yeah. Alienation PBR rim in the back, laced to a Mission back cassette hub. Dice cap thing, contact tire in the back. Total amount 1.95, 40 to 65 psi. And here's what the cassette sounds like. And that is it for the bike check.